Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy. In today's video, I am sharing a radical bathroom transformation. I gutted and remodeled this 1925 bungalow bathroom and then decided that I needed to give that a refresh. For this refresh, I had three main goals: to brighten up the space, to create a stenciled accent wall, and increase personality with decor. So hang with me because I'm going to show you how I went from this to this beauty right here. First things first is prep. With any project, you want to use drop cloths and tape off the areas for crisp lines, especially if you want your job to look like it was done by a professional. For my accent wall, I am using the base paint that's already in the room, which will help me cut down on costs. And then I'm stenciling over top of it using this African geometric pattern. The link to the stencil is down below in the description, and I'm using a gorgeous cool gray to get that lighter, brighter effect in the room. Down below in the description, I also dropped the links to some of my other step-by-step stencil videos. For this refresh job, I chose a paint that already has the primer mixed into the paint. That way, I don't have to use as many coats to cover this dark paint. My viewers often ask, what color is that, Denise? And I'm sorry for neglecting to share that in the past. The paint color I'm using here are in the description box below. Another question I often get asked are about paint supplies. I have my favorites. I've listed them below with some links so you can just grab, order, and go and get started. I chose to have the wall color match the stencil color, but look at how that accent wall pops, that dark paint pops behind that stencil. It really gives the room the best personality. If this is your first time tackling a stenciled accent wall, I've got some tips for you that are going to save you time and save you frustration, and most of all, save you money. Here are my top 3 tips to help you be really comfortable with stenciling. Tip number 1, choose a simple stencil. Straight lines are way easier to handle and to keep straight versus curvy lines. Number 2, use the right application materials, the right rollers or sponges. I put some links down below to help you out. Number 3, practice on cardboard before you put it on the wall. Trust me, you will not regret it. Believe it or not, I completed this entire refresh in a single weekend. Why? Because listen, that's the custom on a budget way. You too can transform any room in your home in a single weekend with just a little inspiration, a little sweat equity, and a whole lot of yes, I can. If you've got questions, then honey, I've got answers. Drop your comment below. I promise to respond. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Now it's time for the really fun stuff, the decor. Part of my design aesthetic in the Furaha method of joyful design is I love to create harmony between the modern and the vintage. So one of my beautiful decor items in this refresh, I'm using 1910 ceiling tin tiles as part of the decor for the walls. It really gives an extra special touch in a room when you can create that harmony between the old and the new. I'm also going to add my favorite, some framed fabric, along with some hanging plants. Next up, it's the reveal. For this radical bathroom transformation, I had 3 main goals: to brighten the space, to create a stenciled accent wall, and to increase personality with decor. And let me show y'all, your girl nailed it. Now this bathroom has a lovely, mesmerizing, calming, zen-like feeling that will set you up to be a success every single day. Using this lovely, soothing, cool gray to accent that gorgeous, dark, mocha black wall on the back wall really elevates the elegance and the custom look and feel of this sweet, quaint bathroom. The addition of the greenery, the hanging plants, again, lends itself to that spa-like, wonderful feeling of peace and serenity. Hey, give this video a thumbs up, y'all. I'm proud of this now. Thanks so much for coming by and watching my videos. And let me know what other types of DIY videos you want to see. What do you need to help you? I'm here for y'all. Thanks again for stopping by. I can't wait to see you in the next video.